Party people in the place to be. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, with the DJI Air 3S. We at this beautiful spot out here in what they call San Antonio, by a police station, a police academy. That's what you hear in the background is gunshot. Well, we are going to do what we call MasterShots. And without further ado, let's get it. Let's see what MasterShots do, peoples. So it's doing a circle, a medium circle, okay? Then it's doing a close circle. All right, I'll see what you're working with. See what you're working with, baby. It says the estimate is going to take 2 minutes. Now it's doing a Dronie. And what the MasterShots is, from what I'm guessing is, it's going to do a bunch of different drone moves, and then you can clip them together to make some highlights for us rookies. All right. Now it's doing a pitch forward. I like it. Pitch up and fly forward. I like it. And I don't have to do anything. That's what I'm talking about. Now it's gonna do a rocket. Okay. Son has decided to come out for a hot minute. I like it. Camera down the seam over your boy. That's what I'm talking about. And that's it for the MasterShots. Well, that was quick, but hey, we'll take it. Quick, fast, and the hurry, peoples.